Welcome to Wacky Wednesdays, where everyone has a chance to show off their car mods. And here's this week's winner.
Hey guys, what's up? My name is Jason, and this is my 2016 Toyota 4Runner Trail Premium. I'm going to show you all the things that I like about it and all the mods that I've done to it. But first, I want to give a huge thanks to Scotty Kilmer for allowing me to show you guys my vehicle. All right, let's get started. So like I said, this is a Trail Premium model of 4Runner. There's a few different trims you might want to know about. There's the SR5, SR5 Premium, Trail, Trail Premium, Limited, and TRD Pro. This is the Trail Premium. Some of the notable differences from the exterior of the Trail model is the front and rear bumper valence cover and the hood scoop on top of the hood. The main differences are going to be in the interior of the vehicle for the crawl control and the A-track and all that good stuff, which I'll show you here in a little bit. The 4Runner has a 4-liter V6 engine with a 5-speed automatic with sport shift and overdrive. And the 4-wheel drive system is controlled by a manual shift lever transfer case. Alright, so this is the bread and butter of the Trail system 4-wheel drive features. This is the crawl control. It allows travel on extremely rough road at a fixed low speed without having to press the accelerator or brake pedal. All you have to do is steer. This is the multi-terrain select system, which has 4 terrain modes. When you select the mode according to the terrain, the engine power and active control system is controlled to enhance off-road drivability. This is the Auto LSD system, which aids traction by controlling engine performance and braking when one of the rear wheels begins to spin. This is the active traction control system that automatically helps prevent the spinning of 4 wheels when the vehicle is started or accelerated on slippery road surfaces. This is the rear differential lock system, and it's provided for use only when wheel spinning occurs in a ditch or on a slippery, rugged surface. Some other notable features on the Trail Premium are the turn signals inside the side view mirrors, as well as a sunroof on top. In the interior, you'll find the Softex covered seats with red stitching, which is a much better upgrade over the cloth seats. The door panels share the same design with the Softex with red stitching. It makes it look really nice on the inside. It's a great touch, and it makes the interior feel a lot higher quality. I really like the trim in the car also. It's a glossy black metallic, as you can see here on the door panel. It also flows onto the steering wheel here, as well as the center console and entertainment cluster. Another awesome feature that was an optional upgrade to my 4Runner was the KDSS, which is the Kinetic Dynamics Suspension System, which is technology borrowed from the Land Cruiser. It's a hydraulic system that reduces body roll when driving on normal roads and increases wheel articulation when driving off-road. Alright, now I'm going to tell you about a few of the mods that I've done to this vehicle. Up top, you can obviously see that I have the windshield light bar here with hidden wiring. It's really nice because there's no crazy wires sticking out. It's very well hidden behind the bracket, and it goes all the way down the channel here into the engine bay, which is pretty awesome. I've got the LED ditch pods, which help at night if you're coming across a ditch like we have back here, a canal. If you need a little extra lighting out the side over here to see how far you are close to the edge, those are great to have. I also have the hidden LED bar right here inside the bumper for a good straight beam pattern. I pretty much have upgraded all the lighting in this vehicle. For my turn signals, I'm running a switchback LED, which functions as white, and as soon as you hit the turn signal, it flashes to amber and then back again when you release the turn signal. It's one of my favorite mods right there. For the low beams, I have HIDs, 6000K, high beam, DRL, and the fog light. It's the same type of bulb. It's a LED, 6000K LED bulb. So at night, it puts out a great amount of light altogether. All right, now I'll show you my driving lights. First, I'll show you the LED switchbacks that function as white parking lights, and then flash to amber when you use the turn signal, and then back again when you release the turn signal. All right, now for my low beam HIDs. And now for my LED fog lights. And now for my LED high beams. This here is my Switch Pros unit that I installed. This controls all my lighting on the exterior. I have the windshield bar here, the bumper bar, spotlights, which are the ditch pods. I never got around to installing the rock lights, and I have an underglow kit, which I don't even really use. It was just for giggles. I have them programmed to strobe also, and you can even control these while the vehicle is off and through Bluetooth, which I'll show you here in a little bit at night. So my main driving lights are off. I'll go ahead and turn on the windshield light bar, then the bumper bar, and the ditch pods. So those are my off-road lights there. You should have no trouble seeing in the dark with this setup here. So on my iPhone here, I have an app for my Switch Pros unit that's controlling all my off-road lights here, and it's connecting via Bluetooth. I can actually now control all my lights from my iPhone right here. So here's the windshield. Here's the bumper bar, the spotlights. So yeah, that's my iPhone controls through my Switch Pros that's inside my vehicle. I also upgraded all the interior lights to white LEDs. As you can see here, at the bottom of each door has this white LED as a courtesy light. And here are the map lights. This is the dome light in the middle of the vehicle. These are the cargo lights, and these make a huge difference when camping. I don't know if you can see this, but inside my windshield you can see my Rexing V1P dash cam. It's a front and rear dash cam. A great little camera because when you have it hardwired like I do, you can have motion sensing and shock sensing. So if somebody hits your vehicle, it'll start recording. And it also, if somebody walks in front of your vehicle, it'll sense the motion, it'll start recording then as well. For my suspension, I've done a 3-inch Old Man Emu lift with springs all around and Toy-Tech spacers in the front to keep it nice and level all the way across. I also have the Nitro Charger shocks and SPC upper control arms. For the tires, I'm running a 285/70/17 Cooper STT Pro tire. And for the wheel, it's a Method Roost 17-inch wheel in bronze colored. I've also got the Infab Nerf bars on the side. These are side steps that help you get on top of your vehicle like this in case you have any luggage or anything up here. It's also great for my children so that they can easily get into the back. They use that as a step so that they can get inside. I got the windows tinted as well. I'm running 18% all the way around, and I did tint the windshield 35%. In this Arizona heat in the summertime, it makes a world of difference. My 4Runner also came with navigation, as you can see here, and it's a pretty cool little system here. This is a cool feature here in the Trail Premium. You have dual front heated seats. And here is the one-touch powered sunroof, which is great for cruising on nice days. I really like this switch here. It has an auto up or down feature to control the rear window. Another cool mod is to the key fob here. It's something that the dealership has to do. They reprogram your key fob so that when you press the unlock button twice and hold it, it will roll down all 4 windows. Check it out here. That's friggin' awesome. I love that feature there. After my last off-roading trip, I decided to go ahead and get the all-weather Husky floor mats. It's a great improvement and they're easier to clean. This is my Diode Dynamics Tail is Turn mod. It converts the stock turn signal into an extra backup light and makes your brake light your turn signal. The brake light still functions normally as a brake light, it just has an extra function of a turn signal. I really like this mod because it gets rid of another amber light on the vehicle. And here's the added reverse light. It makes a huge difference at night, especially with my tinted windows. Here's a different angle so you can see it a little better. The stock reverse light is actually the one on bottom and it provides very little backup light. These are very high quality LEDs and it makes a world of difference. I'll go ahead and start up the engine so that you can hear what it sounds like at idle and when revving it. This vehicle is very special to me because I worked very hard to get this without any help from anybody. I bought it brand new in 2016 with only 11 miles on it. I put a lot of work in doing all the mods myself, and I even made YouTube videos to show how to install each mod that I've done. If you'd like to see some of the videos of the mods I've done, go ahead and check out my website, theronanchronicle.com. You can also find me on YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook at The Ronan Chronicle. I started watching Scotty Kilmer videos about 10 years ago, and it's a huge, incredible honor to be on his channel. I hope you guys liked my video. Thanks for watching. Thanks again, Scotty.
Well, that was this week's video, and to have your car mod shown on my channel here, check this out. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.